I bought and tested these top front and rear dash cameras so you don't have to waste your money on a dud. Trust me, I know how vital it is to have reliable video evidence on the road. Let's dive into the best options available to keep you safe and secure.
Product number 1. TerranSol D016 4K Dashcam. When I first got my hands on the TerranSol D016, I was eager to see how it performed on the road. This dashcam offers both front and rear 4K recording, which is a game changer for anyone looking to capture every detail while driving. The installation was straightforward. I used the included 21-foot rear cam extension cable, and within no time, I had it up and running. The 3-inch IPS display is vibrant and easy to navigate, making it simple to adjust settings or review footage on the go. One of the standout features for me was the ultra-wide 170-degree lens on the front camera. This allowed me to capture not just the road ahead, but also the surroundings, which is crucial for safety. The rear camera, although slightly less wide at 140 degrees, still provided excellent coverage. I found the night vision capabilities impressive thanks to the super starlight technology that made details visible even in low light conditions. This feature could really make a difference if I ever needed to provide evidence from a nighttime incident. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the dual 4K recording ensures that I have high-quality footage when I need it. The built-in GPS is a great addition too, providing real-time speed and location data, which can be invaluable for insurance purposes. The 24-hour parking mode also gives me peace of mind, as it monitors my vehicle even when I'm not around. However, I did encounter a couple of minor drawbacks. The requirement for a separate hardwire kit for parking mode is a bit of a hassle, and the installation could be complex for those not tech-savvy. In conclusion, the TerranSol D016 is a solid investment for anyone serious about dashboard safety and reliability. With its exceptional video quality, user-friendly app, and comprehensive features, it's a product I wholeheartedly recommend. If you're looking for a dashcam that delivers on all fronts, this one should be at the top of your list.
Product number 2. ROVE R2-4K Dual. The ROVE R2-4K Dual, which I was particularly excited to test. This dashcam features a state-of-the-art Starvis 2 sensor, which is a big selling point for low-light performance. I set it up easily using the included suction mount, and the first thing I noticed was how sleek it looked on my windshield. The dual-channel recording is fantastic, with the front camera capturing in stunning 4K and the rear at 1080p. This combination means I can record everything happening in front and behind me simultaneously. During my tests, the quality of the video was remarkable even when driving through areas with changing light conditions. The HDR capabilities helped balance the lighting, ensuring that I could see details in both bright and dark areas of the footage. Now, let's dive into the pros and cons. The built-in 5G Wi-Fi was a highlight for me, allowing for quick downloads of footage to my smartphone at up to 20 megabytes per second. This feature made sharing videos with friends or for insurance claims effortless. I also appreciated the GPS function, which records speed and routes, adding another layer of information to my videos. On the downside, the app could sometimes be a little glitchy, requiring a restart to connect, which can be frustrating. Overall, the ROVE R2-4K Dual is a great choice for anyone who wants a reliable dashcam with top-notch video quality and features. It's particularly well-suited for those who do a lot of night driving or need a dependable camera for rideshare driving. I can confidently suggest this model for its performance and reliability.
Product number 3. Red Tiger F7NP 4K Dashcam. Moving on, I tested the Red Tiger F7NP, which is an enticing option for those on a budget. From the moment I unboxed it, I was impressed by the compact design and build quality. Setting it up was a breeze thanks to the clear instructions and included components. The 4K front and 1080p rear recording caught my attention, especially given the price point. During my initial drives, I noticed that the Starvis 2 sensor really performed well in different lighting conditions. The footage was sharp and clear, providing reliable evidence if needed. The 170-degree wide-angle lens on the front and 140 degrees on the rear captured a broad view of the road, making it easier to see everything happening around me. I also appreciated the built-in GPS, which displayed on the recorded video, marking my speed and location. However, the Red Tiger F7NP isn't without its flaws. The 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi feature is convenient for downloading footage, but I found that the app needed some improvements in terms of stability. Occasionally, it would disconnect or lag, which can be annoying when you're in a hurry to access your videos. On the plus side, the parking mode is robust, with options for time-lapse and G-sensor recording, providing continuous protection when parked. In conclusion, while it may not have all the bells and whistles of higher-end models, the Red Tiger F7NP offers fantastic value for anyone looking for a dependable dashcam. With its excellent video quality, user-friendly features, and affordable price, it's a worthwhile investment for any driver.
Product number 4. IEWEY N5 4-channel dashcam. The IEWEY N5 is another intriguing option, especially for those who want complete coverage. I was particularly drawn to its 360-degree recording capability. This dashcam features multiple cameras, allowing you to capture everything around your vehicle, from the front and rear to the sides and even the interior. Installation was straightforward, requiring a little patience to ensure that all cameras were positioned correctly. Once set up, I was blown away by how much visibility I could get. The 1080p resolution across all cameras provided clear footage, and the night vision capabilities were impressive, especially with the 8 IR lamps that enhanced visibility in low-light conditions. The loop recording feature meant that I never had to worry about running out of space on the included 128GB SD card, which is always a plus. On the downside, the lack of GPS was a bit of a letdown, as I like having speed and location data on my recordings. Additionally, the app's connectivity can be a bit finicky, requiring a bit of fiddling to get it to connect to the dashcam. However, once connected, I found the app easy to use for managing recordings and settings. In summary, the IEWEY N5 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for comprehensive coverage while driving. Its unique 360-degree recording feature sets it apart from many standard dashcams, making it a great option for those who want to keep an eye on everything happening around their vehicle. If you value safety and visibility, this model is worth considering. Product number 5. Ovaman K600 4K Dashcam. I tested the Ovaman K600 and I was pleasantly surprised by its performance given the price. This dashcam captures video at 4K resolution for the front and 1080p for the rear, providing great detail. The installation was simple, and I appreciated the included 64GB SD card, which meant I was ready to go right out of the box. The 170-degree wide-angle lens on the front and 160 degrees on the rear provided excellent coverage, capturing everything on the road. The night vision was decent. While it didn't compare to higher-end models, it still performed adequately in low-light situations. The built-in GPS was another plus, allowing me to track my speed and route, which is essential for insurance claims. However, I did notice some downsides. The app was a little less intuitive than I would have liked, and it sometimes struggled to connect. Additionally, while the video quality is good, it lacks some of the advanced features found in pricier models like higher night vision capabilities or superior app functionality. Overall, the Ovaman K600 is a solid option for anyone looking for a reliable dashcam that won't break the bank. It delivers good quality video, solid features, and is easy to use, making it a great choice for everyday drivers who want peace of mind while on the road. In conclusion, investing in a good dashcam can make a significant difference in your driving experience. Each of these models offers unique features tailored to different needs and budgets. Whether you're after high-resolution video, extensive coverage, or a budget-friendly option, there's a dashcam here for you. Stay safe on the road and happy driving!